again, we are now on video number 4. I was asking, what should we do first? Should we do the tuners or should we do the nut? This is a Tusk nut, and I really believe in these. I use them all the time when I'm upgrading the nuts on all my guitars. I love them. They're great. I can probably put the nut in there. Well, that might take a little time. So what I think I'll do is, yeah, it's going to take me a little bit of time to trim down the nut. So we can do the easier thing and go ahead and put on the tuners. Yeah, I think that'll be good. We can do that. Maybe I'll even do the nut off camera. So, all right. All right, here we go. See. Yeah. Okay. Grover lifetime guarantee. Grover tuners have been keeping the world's finest guitars in tune for almost a century. Known and trusted as the finest tuners available, we can proudly say, should your Grover tuners ever fail for any reason, simply return them to us for a fast and friendly, no-charge repair or replacement. So that's worth holding on to. So let's see. Okay, they're gonna go in. Ooh, uh-oh. 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 That's not good. It appears that these tuners are not going to fit. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay. Okay. So we have the old tuners here. Well. This just caused a big this just caused a big problem for us. Alrighty. I think this is going to be the our last video for the evening here. Let's take you away from the mandolin here and go face to face again. Okay, well, got this big light behind me. Alright, turn that off. Okay, so it appears that we've run into a little problem. The old tuners, which I wanted to replace. These are the ones that came on the mandolin. And I wanted to replace them with these. And these are pretty nice. It's got a gold plate and mother of pearl knobs. It looks really nice, and I was hoping that it was gonna go in there with no problem, but sometimes that's sometimes it doesn't work out that way. The pegs are not going to line up exactly. If you can see. And I could line up these two, and then everything else is just, a little bit off. I could even line up, the middle and it just, it wouldn't look right. So I have to think of something. See if I can figure something out. I think I can. When I do think of something, which hopefully will be soon, I'll get back to you. Until then, keep on rocking. Bye now.